So, Prince, I heard you finally got the promotion you were gunning for. Congratulations.
Yay nonsense, what are you laughing? Yeah, thanks, man. It's been a long time coming.
You know what they say, hard work pays off.
And apparently, so does blackmail.
What?
Just kidding, man. I earned it fair and square.
Phew, for a second there, I thought you were gonna confess to some serious crimes.
Nah, but speaking of crimes, have you seen that new show about the guy who fakes his own death?
Are you crazy? How? You mean Death Faker?
Yeah, that's the one. It's so good, I'm on the edge of my seat every episode.
I tried watching it, but I fell asleep halfway through the first episode.
Oh, so you're one of those, I only watch documentaries, people, huh?
Hey, I'll have you know, I watched plenty of other stuff, too. Like the cooking show where they make food out of weird ingredients.
Oh yeah, that one. I can't watch that, it makes me hungry.
Well, at least it's not making you sick like that show about people with weird phobias.
Don't even get me started on that one. I had nightmares for a week after watching it.
I hope you enjoy our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Click the notification button.